The problem is length of last word. Okay, so given a string S consisting of words and spaces, return the length of the last word in the string. A word is a maximal substring consisting of non-space characters only. So what the question is saying, we have given a string, it can consist any number of spaces in between. Okay, in beginning also, in end also, in between also, it can consist any number of spaces, and it have some of the words like hello, world, fly, me, to, the moon. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to simply return the length of this last word. It the last index of the string can consist any number of spaces, but we don't have to include them. We have to simply return the length of the last word in the string. So what in my minds come, I have solved this question using the stack. What I have done, I have simply, like the question is hello world, I have simply, what I have done, I have taken a stack. The question is very simple. What we have to do? We have to simply return the length of the last word. So what I have done? I have taken a stack. I have taken a stack st. Okay. So if you know the stack, what the property of the stack is, first in, last out. First in, last out, or last in, first out. So what we will do? It's first in, last out. So we will simply push back every letter, every sentence, every word, or every character of the string. Every character of the string. Like we'll push back hello, H, E. We will run a for loop from I equal to 0, and we will push back every character of the string. We'll push back H, E, L, then O, then space, then W, then O, then R, then L, then D. So simply what we will do, we'll push every character of the string in the stack, and then we will pop out the characters. We will pop out the characters like, and we will count the length of the, we will count the number, we will count the characters, like how many characters we are popping until we have found the space. Until we will found the space, we will pop out the characters like D, we'll say count is 1. We'll pop out L, we'll say count is 2. We'll pop out R, we'll say count is 3. Okay. We will pop out O, we will say count is 4. We will pop out D, we'll say count is 5. Now when we are popping, we will we will say a condition, we will give a condition like, if there is a space, there is a blank space, or the stack is empty, we will stop there only. So we have found a space, so we will break the loop. We'll break the loop, and our answer is 5. Our answer is 5. So it is very simple question. Now, so one trick is here, because they have given, they can they can include any number of spaces, like here the moon, here we have moon and two spaces. So what we have to what we have to include here, if it is word and two spaces are there, 1, 2, and the string ends here. So if we will push this whole string in our array. Just a minute. So if we will push the whole string in our array, so we have one space, we have two space. So if we will pop, if what condition we have taken, we have taken if there is any blank space or the stack is empty, we will break. So if the blank space in beginning only, so if we have found the beginning, the blank space in beginning, then we will break the loop, and our answer is 0. So is it okay? It is not okay. What we have to do, we have to return the length of the last word. If there are any blank spaces, we have to remove them. So what we will do, we'll simply run a for loop. First we will run a for loop for to remove this blank space from the last. So we will say if it is blank space and stack is not empty, just simply pop them, pop them, pop them. So we have popped them, and then we will run a for loop for counting the answer. Okay, so simply I have written the code. What I have done, I have taken a stack, as I have said, stack of characters, because they are characters. So I have taken a stack of characters, and for answer I have taken a k, and initialize it with 0. We are simply pushing the characters of the string. Every character of the string we will push. And what we will do, if for this type of string, what we are doing, if there is any blank space, or we can say this condition also, a stack is not empty. So we will pop the characters, we will pop the spaces, we will pop the spaces. And then if we have popped every space of the last character, every space from the last of the string, then we will simply count our answer. We will say if stack is not empty, and we are not finding any of the blank space, we are not finding any of the blank space. Until we will not found the blank space or the stack is not empty, we will say simply pop and answer plus plus, pop and answer plus plus. Then we will return the count, we will return the count. So this count is the length of the last string, last word in the string. Now we can run the loop, run our code. So it is running. We can submit. It's working.